Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your dialer, and I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number, because we can block the number which we've got currently saved on our contacts, and another way is more, I would say, manual, and it requires entering the settings in the dialer. So let's start with your contact list. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. We've got this block numbers option, so simply tap on it, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So simply tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and the information, which simply means that we've just successfully blocked the number. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number, as I said, is more manual, because you can manually enter the number you want to block. You do not have to have it saved on your contacts. And in order to do that, we have to enter the blacklist. So we can do it with the usage of the contacts, recents, or favorites. It does not really matter, because we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general section, simply tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So the previous way also works. As I said, here we've got more manual way, because we have to simply tap on add a number, and as you can see, we can freely enter it. You can of course paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this option unknown, and we can activate it just by tapping on the switcher and tapping on it again to turn it off. And basically, your device is allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers, so from those which are not saved. And what is more, if you want to unblock the number, because of course you can do it, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.